My name is Trey Scott with AMC Marine Sales and Service in Hamilton, Indiana. Our address is 7900 South Wayne Street. We're a one-stop marina here. We have everything from parts and accessories. We have tubes hanging up on the wall, life jackets, ski ropes, everything to your oil and oil filters. We also have a full service shop. We can service, winterize, shrink wrap, storage, pretty much do anything service related, tune-ups to your boat to keep you out on the water all summer long. We also have a full sales shop. We sell these Crest pontoons here, rigged with Suzuki outboards. We do sell new and used pre-owned boats. We also take consignments in. We're also opening up a golf cart shop across the street, so we are going to do sales and service on golf carts. Phone number is 260-488-2900. You can find us on Facebook at Affordable Marine Care, or our website is www.teamamc.com. We look forward to seeing you in summer.